performance and quality. Shunra Software Limited today announced that ITU's telecommunications standardization sector, ITT, the preeminent worldwide telecommunication standards body, has selected Shunra's application performance management solutions to help it establish standards for the assessment of quality of voice over IP, VoIP, technologies. ITT's development of interoperability and quality of service, COS, standards play a major role in establishing VoIP as a legitimate, fully functional service offering, said Jean-Yves Montfort, chairman of the ITT Study Group 12. We rely on industry-leading technology, such as Shunra Software, to help us establish these standards that will meet the industry and end users' needs for robust quality and optimal performance worldwide, and preempt problems in the future. Standardization work on measurement techniques for VoIP technology is one of the priorities of ITT SG12, under its question 16. France Telecom R&D is a prominent member of this study group. France Telecom R&D is using Shunra's award-winning application performance management solution, Shunra/Storm, to emulate a global wide area network, WAN, in its labs, and accurately evaluate the quality of various VoIP testing technologies under different network conditions. The results of these tests enable ITT to establish standards for monitoring voice quality over IP networks. Voice quality is the #1 priority for VoIP technologies, mostly characterized in terms of network delay and distortion of voice signal. We chose Shunra/Storm because it is the best commercial product that allows us to recreate the network conditions that are found in real life and evaluate voice quality over any IP network topology, said Vincent Bariac, head of France Telecom R&D unit specializing in voice quality and rapporteur of ITT SG12Q.16. With this information we are able to test several solutions and thus establish the best standards that will help companies successfully design, configure and deploy VoIP technologies, and ensure that they will work properly over any IP network without having to modify or fine-tune their environments. There has been a surge in demand for VoIP services within private enterprises and emergence of several IP service providers. This clearly shows that VoIP has moved well beyond the trial phase and legitimizes it as a global business with a very promising future, said Sayla Eternity, industry analyst, Frost & Sullivan. Voice quality and COS are critical to the success of the VoIP market. Therefore there is considerable need for products, such as Shunra's, that have the capability to test them under critical network parameters such as jitter, latency and packet loss. About Shunra/Storm ideal for software development, testing and networking teams, Shunra/Storm recreates an accurate replica of the global enterprise environment. Real applications are deployed and exercised over this emulated enterprise environment, giving users the unique opportunity to see exactly how their distributed applications behave under a near-limitless variety of WAN topologies, WAN parameters, and end-user traffic. With Shunra/Storm users can see for themselves the real end-user experience anytime, anywhere across the globe, and effectively isolate and resolve the causes of application networkability problems prior to deployment, validate changes and plan for future infrastructure requirements. About Shunra Software, Shunra Software delivers a preemptive approach to application performance management, empowering companies to build high-quality business applications and deploy them with confidence. Through lifecycle optimization, Shunra Software delivers business success and end-user satisfaction, while maximizing the return on IT investments. Among the more than 900 leading enterprises and technology vendors worldwide using Shunra's award-winning products are 3M, Alcatel, Boeing, Cisco, Citrix, Dow Chemical, EMC, FedEx, General Electric, General Motors, JP Morgan, Kelly Services, Merrill Lynch, Microsoft, Motorola, Nortel, Pitney Bowes, and Sun Microsystems. Shunra Software's U.S. headquarters are located in New York City. The company maintains sales offices throughout North America, and supports a global network of distributors. For more information, please visit www.shunra.com. About ITT Study Group 12. The International Telecommunication Union, ITU, is unique among international organizations in that it was founded on the principle of cooperation between governments and the private sector. With a membership encompassing telecommunication policymakers and regulators, network operators, equipment manufacturers, hardware and software developers, regional standards-making organizations and financing institutions, ITU's activities, policies and strategic direction are determined and shaped by the industry it serves. In ITT, telecommunications standardization sector, one of the three sectors of the Union, Study Group 12 is responsible for a guidance on the end-to-end transmission performance of networks, terminals and their interactions, in relation to the perceived quality and acceptance by users of text, speech, and image applications. This includes activities on subjective quality assessment, quality impairments, transmission planning and telephonimetry for fixed, mobile and IP networks and terminals. ITT SG12 is developing recommendations on the voice quality modeling, for example E-Model G.107. or perceptual evaluation of speech quality P.862, and measurement techniques, for example P.561 for in-service non-intrusive measurement devices. SG12 cover also activities on terminals, as lead ITT Study Group on Quality of Service, COS, and Performance. Study Group 12 provides leadership for the ITT in dealing with COS-related issues. Internal to the ITT, this leadership involves providing a roadmap for COS activities that can be used to identify and resolve COS-related issues across study groups.